Understanding parking meters, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but common phrase in English, parking meter. Understanding these everyday terms can significantly enhance your fluency and comprehension of English. So, let's dive in. A parking meter is a device used to collect money in exchange for the right to park a vehicle in a particular place for a limited amount of time. Typically found on the sides of urban streets, parking meters are important for managing parking spaces in busy areas. They usually have a slot for coins and a dial or digital display showing the remaining parking time. Parking meters were introduced in the 1930s to address the issue of congested street parking. Their main purpose is to regulate parking by limiting the amount of time a vehicle can stay in one spot, thus ensuring that more people have access to parking spaces. They also generate revenue for the local authorities. Using a parking meter typically involves a few simple steps. 1. Park your vehicle next to the meter. 2. Insert coins or use a digital payment method to pay for the desired parking time. 3. Set the timer or confirm the payment, which activates the meter. 4. Note the expiration time to avoid parking tickets. In recent years, parking meters have evolved with technology. Many now accept credit cards or mobile payments. Some are even connected to apps that allow users to add time remotely or find available parking spots. We hope this explanation of parking meters has been helpful. These devices are a small but significant part of city life, and understanding them is a great step in mastering the practical aspects of English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.